Madalas ba sumakit ang tiyan mo o minsan nahihirapan ka mag-poop? Baka dahil yan sa stress. Hindi lang sa ulo mo ang stress, pati tiyan mo na-feel din yung stress. Kaya kahit wala ka namang kinain na kakaiba, minsan sumasakit din ang tiyan mo dahil yan sa stress at worries. Kasi when you're under stress, your body is in a fight or flight response mode. When you're in a fight or flight mode, your digestion slows down, your metabolism slows down. Kasi ang priority ng body mo ay survival at hindi digestion. At ang result, mabagal ang digestion, could result into acidity or constipation. Minsan magkaka-diarrhea ka pa. Chronic stress can also weaken your gut lining, which can result to more stress and more complication. What can you do? Eat slowly and mindfully. Hindi yung palagi ka nagmamadali habang kumakain. Bawasan ang caffeine, especially if you are stressed. Do light walks after your meals to help with your digestion. Ginagawa ko yan. 10 minutes after kumain, naglalakad ako. Huwag kumain habang nagtatrabaho at lalong-lalo na kung galit ka o kaya sad ka. This is Dina saying, if you want better digestion, better sleep, subscribe to this channel for exclusive tips and techniques.
Ask Dina.